Smooth Ignition Solutions, Mike's Lock 760-766-0117 fixes Honda CRV 2005 ignition cylinder in Hesperia. Experience reliable ignition repair at Mike's Lock 760-766-0117. We're proud to have successfully fixed an ignition cylinder for a Honda CRV 2005 in Hesperia. Our expert locksmiths provided swift and efficient service, ensuring the customer's vehicle was up and running smoothly again. Count on us for all your ignition-related issues, as we're committed to delivering top-notch solutions in the high desert are. Restoring smooth operations, ignition cylinder repair for Honda CRV 2005 by Mike's Lock 760-766-0117 in Hesperia.